Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to start question number 13 today. Now be very careful. The answer given of this question in NCERT is incorrect. So let's look at it. Aarti, Bharti and Seema are partners sharing profits in the proportion of 3:2:1. And their balance sheet as on March 31, 2016 stood as follows. So we have bills payable, creditors, general reserve, Aarti, Bharti, Seema's capital. Building cash in hand, bank, debtors, bill receivable, stock and investment. Now Bharti died. Bharti died on which day? 12th of June, because death is uncertain. We cannot just plan it, okay, I'll die on that day. We can plan our retirement but not death. So 12th June. So we have to take proportion up to this date, okay. And according to the deed of the state partnership, her executors are entitled to be paid as under the capital to her credit at the time of her death and interest thereon at the rate of 10% per annum. Her proportionate share in reserve fund, obviously that will always give. Then her share of profits for the intervening period will be based on the sales during that period, which were calculated as rupees 1 lakh. Okay, the rate of profit during the past 3 years had been 10% on sales. Okay. Goodwill, according to her share of profit, to be calculated by taking twice the amount of the average profit of the last 3 years less 20%. Now this is something which is new, okay, but it is very easy to take the average and reduce 20%. The profit of the previous years were this and this, okay. The investments were sold for 16,200 and her executors were paid out, okay. So this is by selling the investment at a profit, the firm had the money to pay the executors. Pass the necessary journal entries, write the account of the executor. Now in this question, do remember the answer given here is incorrect. Now in this type of question, working note becomes very important. See, all these points are working note, there is no revaluation of assets and liabilities, okay. So let's start this question by doing our working notes. So what it is, 10% profit is 10% of sale, which was 1 lakh. So 10% multiplied by rupees. So this sale was of that period only up to 12th of June. 10,000. Now Bharti's share is 3:2:1, so 2/6. $3,333 is the Bharti's share. Now let's also calculate goodwill. So average profit are we have to calculate 8,200 plus 9,000 plus 9,800, yes, divided by 3. Okay, so we get 27 by 3, 9,000 less 20% So 1800 less, that gives me rupees 7200 multiplied by 2 years purchase, that gives me rupees 14,400 multiplied by Bharti's share of 2 by 6. So this will give me 1/3. 3 4s are 12, 24, 3 8s are 24. So 20, 4800. Now this is Bharti's share of goodwill. Now what we need, let's calculate. We have profit, we have goodwill, interest on capital, Bharti's capital. So interest on Bharti's capital, what was her capital? So this interest will be, see, she was there as a partner for April, May full, but in June only for 12 days. So April 30 days, May 31. See, whenever the date of death is not exact, that means it's on 1 or 15 or 30. What we need to do, we need to calculate it day wise. So 61, 73 days. Now, students do remember the significance of 73. Why? A very important figure, because when we are calculating by days, we cannot divide it by month. We have to do it, solve it day wise. So, what was our capital? I guess 12,000. Was it 12? Yeah, 12,000. 10% for 73 days out of, let's assume 365 days. Now, do remember, this is 1, this is 5. Okay? That's why I told you 73 is so important. So, when we solve this, 12 rupees 240, and in goodwill, the gaining ratio is that 3:2:1 was the old ratio, this 2 is gone, so 3:1 is the gaining ratio, because no information has been given about the new ratio. Okay? So now we have calculated everything. Let's solve this question. Okay, they have asked us to do journal entries. Let's first do the account. Okay? So Bharti's capital account and Bharti's executor account was also needed. So let's first make capital account. This Bharti's capital account is needed. And Bharti's executor's account. This will have mostly one entry, so a small account is sufficient. Okay. Let's see. Let's bring down Bharti's capital. 12,000 rupees. Then we also have to give her share in profit. That was, I guess, 3333. Then we have to give her goodwill. So who will give? Aarti and Seema. What was 4,800, and which ratio they'll give? 3:1. That's the gaining ratio. So 4,800, 3:1 is 4, 12. Yes. Then interest on capital. We will not give any share on the investment that was sold. The profit has happened because it belongs to the firm. We will assume that the same has been incorporated in the goodwill calculations, okay, or the P&L suspense calculation. Okay, I guess that's it. These are the only things that were given. Anything else? So let's see. This is done. Oh, general reserve. So her share in the general reserve. So 2/3, 4,000. Yeah, that's it. So let's see how much is the total. 12, 15, 18, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23, 900, 24, 24, 639, 11, 13, 24, 3, 14, 30, 73, 24, 373. See, I told you the answer is wrong in NCERT. So, by so this is how we had to do our Bharti's capital and executors account, but I guess as far as I recall, they have asked us to do journal entries as well. So again, that's very simple. Let's do the journal entries. I hope you have copied all this down so we can proceed with the journal entries. So, on the date of death, 12 June 2016 was it? Yeah. So, all the entries will be on this date. What all things we are giving to Bharti? We gave her P&L suspense. It was 3333. General reserve share 4,000. 240, then RT is goodwill, right? Okay, I guess these all things we gave. And obviously we know this will be what, 24 minus 12, so it should be 12,373. How 12? I know, because 24,373 was the total and 12,000 was the capital. Capital we don't bring down here like this. Okay. Then all these things will go where? Same date. Everything went, but when we are doing the journal entry, we have to do one more journal entry, which was sale of investment, because we are doing this. Hey, it was paid off, right? Okay, okay, there is one mistake that I did, because after selling the investment, the firm had money to pay. So instead of to balance carried down, it should be to bank account. Okay, this money was paid. To bank account. And also sale of investment. I guess it was sold for a profit to okay. Let's see how much. It was something 16,000. So yeah, 16,200. And what was its cost? 13,250. So around 2,950. Yeah, that's it. That's our journal entries. I hope you have copied all these down, and that's it for this video. I'll be solving the last question in our next video. Thank you for watching.